There it is, gentlemen. That's the mission. You need to infiltrate the fortress and capture Dr. Monøcle. And this time, try not to kill everyone.
Oh, god damn it.
What are we even doing here anymore? Who do we have on demolition?
Jitters.
What the hell kind of name is Jitters?
He's a tremuloid.
Oh, no. Do you think he can do it?
Oh, man. I don't know. He does seem a little shaky.
Well, we haven't got much choice now, do we? This could be a tricky one. I'd feel better if we had the Super Commando. You'd better call up Bobo.
Oh, awesome.
Bobo. 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 Bobo, you go over the northeast side. We'll meet you in the laboratory core. Now get! Jitters. Easy. We'll rappel down, and you'll detonate a breach in the shielding, gaining us access to the fortress.
Hey, man.
You got this. Oh shit. It's a sentry droid. Everyone look real casual. Easy, Jitters. Hello. Jitters. Begin. Don't make him nervous. Jitters, that explosive is extremely volatile. It is imperative that you remain calm.
He's gonna fuck it up.
He's not gonna fuck it up.
Look, I don't have the upper body strength to climb back up this thing.
Jitters! Jitters! Jitters.
Oh, god damn it.
Shit. Oh, wait, there's a hole. We're in.
You did it, Jitters. Thanks, buddy. Wherever you are.
We should be approaching the core. Keep your eyes peeled.
There's a guard.
We'll need to take him down quickly and quietly. My rocket-propelled cufflink sleeping darts should do the trick. Wait for it. He's out. Let's do it. All right. On 3. 1. Oh, shit.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Jeez it, Dr. Monøcle. Your evil-doing days are over. Looks like your subscription's expired, Doctor. Prescription. God damn it.
Gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you my new, more powerful Devastator class Robo-Droids.
Robo-Droid target acquired.
Attack.
Robo-Droids, attack.
Where am I?
Well, your head is in a bucket. I honestly don't know where your body is. Little Bobby Bucket. That's your new nickname.
I like it. This is weird. I can still feel my legs.
Not likely. So, Dr. Monøcle, what do you have in store for me?
You are going to tell me everything I want to know about the defenses on Yabos.
You'll get nothing from me but a genuine Kung Fu style chop. Right in your goddamn face.
Silence! Now you will witness the full magnitude of a bully operational head popper 3000. Activate the head popper! Obliterate him.
Bobo! And that's when Bobo saved the day. Good boy, Bobo.
But you've let Dr. Monøcle escape.
Yes, we did, but we didn't kill anyone. Well, except that one guard on the way in, and that other one on the way out.
And that other one on the way out.
There were a few more on the way out.
Oh yeah, and Jitters.
Oh yes, and Jitters!
Remember how you did it?
Oh shit.